Hey guys, how's it going? How to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So basically, first of all, make sure that your Wi-Fi and charger is full on and in quick internet connection, and then just make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, and then open and set up to move to iOS app, right? And from here, make sure that your content the content that you're moving, including what's your external micro SD card, will fit in to your new iOS device. And if you want to transfer your Chrome bookmarks, update to the latest version of your Chrome to in your Android device, right? So right here, just get started and just move along and follow the instructions and tap move data from Android, and then look for the transfer your apps and data screen, and then tap from Android, right? And if you've already finished setup, you need to erase your iOS devices. If you don't want to erase, just transfer your content manually, right? So basically, just open and set up the move to iOS app, and on your Android device, open the move to iOS app. If you don't have the move to iOS app, you can just tap the QR code button on your new iOS device and scan the QR code using the camera on your Android device to open the Google Play Store, and just continue to the next step. Wait for the code and then enter the code, and after you enter the code, from your Android device, connect to a temporary Wi-Fi network. Your iOS device will create a temporary Wi-Fi network. When asked, just tap connect to join that network on your Android device, and then wait for the transfer data screen to appear, and then choose the content and wait. And after you've chosen the content and wait, just wait the process until the transfer is completed, right? So just transfer your phone number in SIM or eSIM, and just as you move from your Android device, you can just active your phone number in SIM or eSIM. You may be directed to your network provider's website to finalize this activation, and then set up your iOS device, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.